Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another SAT exam question. Let's get started. We have a figure and in this figure the measure of angle SQX is 48 degrees and SXQ is 86 degrees, SWU is 85 degrees and VTU is 162 degrees, and we are going to find the angle TUR, which is here. Okay, first of all I'm gonna show you that we have this triangle TRTU, and in this triangle we have angle T, which is an exterior angle for this triangle. And we know that when we have an exterior angle, the measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. In fact, T equals to sum of U and R. Let's call this R1. U plus R1. Okay, we know T is 162, U is unknown, and we need to first of all find R1. Okay, let's go for finding R1. Okay, so far so good. We have a quadrilateral here, QRWX, and in this quadrilateral we have four angles, and we know the size of three of them: 48 degrees, 86 degrees, and this side of W is 85 as well, because W1 and W2, these two are two vertical angles or two opposite angles, and we know that they are always equal in size. Okay, so in order to find this angle, you can call this R2. You should subtract the sum of these three angles from 360 degrees. 48 plus 86 plus 85, and subtract from 360, which gives us 219 degrees. So R2 equals to 141 degrees. Okay, and we know that R1 plus R2 equals to 180, because R1 and R2 are two supplementary angles and they add to 180 degrees. So R2 is 141, so R1 is 39 degrees. Okay, so the last step is substitute 39 for R1 in this formula. So 162 equals to U plus 39 degrees. So U equals to 162 minus 39. That gives us 123 degrees for the final answer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.